Broken bones, back injuries, and burns are just some of the injuries that workers, especially construction workers, suffer on the job. And research shows that not all job sites put their workers' safety first. And unfortunately, most injured workers don't even realize there are workers' comp laws in place that could provide them with additional benefits for surgeries and medical needs. Hard hats and work boots aren't always enough to keep people safe on job sites. In fact, in 2006 in the U.S., more than 5,700 workers were killed and hundreds of thousands more injured while on the job. People doing road work on the highway are the most frequent victims, accounting for 1 out of every 4 fatal work injuries, for a total of 1,329 deaths in 2006. Here's a closer look at more of the numbers from '06. More than 800 people fell to their deaths. 184 of them fell from rooftops. 583 workers were fatally injured from being struck by objects, and 201 workers died in fires and explosions. The most dangerous industry in 2006 was the construction industry, accounting for 1,226 deaths and nearly 500,000 injuries nationwide. It's staggering, but about 1 out of every 5 workplace fatalities is a construction worker. The law states that a worker has the right to a safe workplace, and if a work hazard exists and action is not taken quickly, an employee should contact an OSHA area office immediately to file a complaint. It's extremely important to make the job site as hazard-free as possible, because even though workers' compensation benefits are designed to provide workers with financial support for medical bills and a portion of lost wages following an on-job injury, it's oftentimes difficult to get the compensation you deserve. Most people don't even know how the system works and aren't aware they could also be entitled to Social Security disability in addition to workers' comp. If you are injured on the job, one future surgery could ruin your family financially. That's why you may want to have the laws explained to you by a legal expert.
A lot of employers would still prefer injured employees not to make a claim. They have some fear that it's going to create a bad environment between the employer and employee. But most people that get hurt, they may or may not make a compensation claim, and they are not protecting themselves or their family under our statutes. There's a whole host of benefits that are available to most people, and they just don't simply know how to apply for those benefits.
Nationwide, the numbers show the construction industry accounts for 15% of all workers' compensation costs. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.